Hey, welcome back to Saigon Cribs. This is Brian here. Hey, we're at Lumiere Riverside, a really amazing brand new apartment here in Tao Tien District 2. This is the premier luxury apartment destination where you want to be. We're going to show you the amenities at this spot that is awesome, absolutely amazing. And we have a special apartment preview, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath that's on the market. And we're going to show you exactly what the lifestyle is here. So stay tuned. Saigon Cribs, baby, let's go. Do you see this Riverview? This Riverview is amazing. Can you imagine waking up every day and just having coffee here, thinking about your day, planning everything that you're going to do? Man, this is absolutely amazing. This is definitely the spot. This apartment comes fully furnished and fully equipped. Everything is here. You have your microwave, your rice cooker, your hot water kettle, cooking and eating utensils. I mean, everything is provided for you. Absolutely amazing. See, those are the little touches that I really like about apartment owners who prepare their apartments in a really nice and great way. That is an absolutely amazing, luxurious apartment. If you're interested in renting in Lumiere Riverside, contact us right now. Also, if you would like to take a look at the swimming pool, the gym, and all the amenities, click our next video right here, and we're going to show you the amazing stuff that they got going on here. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Saigon Cribs out.